Germans just love their cars. Germany is still the only country in the world without a speed limit for its famous autobahns. And the relationship between Germans and their cars is not just emotional, it's also based on hard economic facts, with car manufacturing being one of Germany's top export earners. With all that importance attached to it, it's no wonder that Germany is also home to some magnificent car museums, and Stuttgart can even boast 2 of them.
Palace, museum and shopping center. Stuttgart is the capital of the state of Baden-Württemberg. But it also stands for motors, myths and milestones. A fair number of visitors to the city are here because of Daimler-Benz or Porsche. The connection to the automobile industry is central to Stuttgart's recent history. First stop, Stuttgart-Zuffenhausen. This striking building is the Porsche Museum, which opened in 2009. It's a giant on stilts, built like a bridge, but a place for lovers of exclusive sports cars. A Porsche 959 Rallye Dakar is brought up from the basement and tested. These valuable cars are restored in Porsche's museum workshop in front of the visitors. The workshop is part of the museum, and visitors can observe the mechanics at work. The museum was designed by the Viennese architects Dalugan Meisel. It's a reflection of the car maker's success story, boasting 5,600 square meters of space for 80 vehicles from 6 decades.
The Porsche Museum is meant to show the history of Porsche products. We don't want to create a theme park. We want the cars to speak for themselves. We don't want to put them in an historical context either, but present them in front of a white or black background. The car should speak for itself through its design, the paintwork or technical highlights.
Porsche believes it's important that all the vehicles on display actually run. And to avoid any false impression that this is a place where stationary cars are gazed at in awe and silence, mechanics show a bit of what the cars can actually do. That was the sound of a 6-cylinder, 600-horsepower Boxer engine. Second stop, Stuttgart-Bad Cannstatt. This is where Daimler-Benz built a museum for its classic Mercedes models. A tour begins with a trip back in time. The building is the work of Dutch architect Ben van Berkel. The history of the Mercedes brand is the history of the automobile industry. A tour guide gives an insight into the technical advances over the years.
There are a lot of car museums around the world, but this is the only car museum that covers the entire range from the birth of the car 125 years ago right up to today.
Bis heute mit einem Blick in die Gegenwart abdeckt.
That's the history of the Mercedes-Benz brand and the founding fathers, Gottlieb Daimler and Karl Benz.
The traces of many notable engineers can be found in the history of the automobile pioneers at Mercedes, including a certain Ferdinand Porsche. A guide explains how Porsche was chief designer at Daimler-Benz between 1923 and 1928, and that what he most enjoyed was making sports cars, dubbed white elephants at the time. The Mercedes-Benz Museum includes more than 160 vehicles on 17,000 square meters of exhibition space. Icons of automobile history, like the wing doors and the silver arrows. We leave Stuttgart and head north to Wolfsburg and another exceptional car museum. In 2000, Volkswagen opened its Autostadt, a visitor center adjacent to the company's main headquarters and factory. It has a range of attractions. Children have a chance to learn traffic rules. And there's also the chance to admire the cars in each one of the pavilions representing a Volkswagen-owned brand. The heart of the Autostadt is the Zeithaus Car Museum. Volkswagen doesn't have just its own cars on display, like the 1 millionth VW Beetle from 1955, but also milestone cars from other manufacturers. This is the first mass-produced car, the Ford Model T. Autostadt is conceived for everyone.
Das ist die wichtigste Zielgruppe für uns.
The most important group we are aiming at are young women and mothers.
Sie ist in
They make the decisions in today's families.
Entscheidungsträgerin.
That's something we men need to take notice of.
Das müssen wir als Männer zur
They're the
Kenntnis
most
nehmen.
important group, the main
Sie ist für
focus.
uns die wichtigste Zielgruppe.
Children
die
and
wichtigste
teenagers
Zielperson.
come afterwards,
Danach kommen Kinder und
and then the
Jugendliche.
men.
Und erst dann die
And I
Männer.
say this jokingly,
Und
but I
ich
mean it
sage das immer
seriously.
etwas
But the classic
spaßhaft,
Michael
meine das aber gar
Schumacher
nicht.
fans
Ich
are
schätze
fourth
ihn
in
sehr,
line.
aber die
We are
klassischen
first and
Michael
foremost a
Schumacher-Fans
family
kommen hier
destination.
erst an vierter Stelle. Wir sind eine Familiendestination.
2 million people a year visit the Autostadt. A quarter of those are customers here to pick up their cars fresh off the production line. Like the Schultz family from Eastern Germany, they'll be able to drive their new car home after a visit to the Autostadt. Alongside the optical attractions and the historical relevance, a car museum has another important task: to create an emotional bond between brand and customer. That's equally true for the Porsche Museum, the Mercedes Museum, and the Autostadt.